excellence creates brilliant quality. YCW Bag is located in Shenzhen, a city of daring and pioneering. Deeply engaged in the field of bag manufacturing, commits to creating an advanced bag manufacturing brand. YCW Bag emerges in response to the times, after more than a decade of hard work, providing professional R&D, manufacturing, OEM, ODM services for global partners, cooperating with Disney, Nestle, Coca-Cola, and other famous brands for win-win business. We passed professional assessment certifications such as Quality Management System and Environmental Management System, etc., with excellent industry experience and outstanding customer service consciousness. Unique ingenuity, exquisite reaction. Some craftsmen spend their entire lives doing just one thing. Their heart is infused into the soul, bit by bit. Every step of drawing, material selection, and sample making is a work of ingenuity. YCW Bag is committed to market demand-oriented design and create more surprised and convenient bag with practical use. Sharp tools make good work. YCW Bag is determined to forge ahead, optimize the production system, build modern workshops, follow strict production processes, strictly control every process, create an international production model, achieve lean management, exquisite craftsmanship leading the industry, dedicated to the heart, concentrate on the action. From R&D to manufacturing, from the Chinese market to export trade, YCW Bag has become an important link in the global supply chain, serving the customers from all over the world. Go ahead and make extraordinary. To satisfy customers is our great achievement. Rooted in Shenzhen, embrace a world